One of the most amazing projects I've ever been a part of. I was the general contractor for Redwoods Rising from its start in February of 2020 to the beginning of its third year in February of 2022. This project aims to restore over 70,000 acres of second growth redwoods, remove roads, and accelerate the onset of old growth conditions. This effort not only sequesters carbon but also enhances wildlife habitat. With more restoration to be implemented over the next 2.5 decades, this project is set to continue making strides in improving and preserving these critical ecosystems. Some great people are working on this project, and some great results are already being seen. In January 2023, just 4 months after restoration efforts were completed for the year, coastal cutthroat trout were seen spawning in one of the restored creeks. This was a significant event as the trout had been absent from that creek for more than 60 years due to damage caused by past clear-cut activities. This video celebrates the work required to restore and care for this incredible landscape.